How to make a thaumatrope and a phenakistoscope. From gigantic televisions to tiny screens on smartphones, the moving image is all around us nowadays. We may all take modern video for granted, but the first steps towards true motion pictures began with simple yet marvelous toys of optical illusion. We will show you how to handle still pictures to create moving images using two such devices that foreshadow cinema, the thaumatrope and the phenakistoscope. Romanian and Portuguese students will enthusiastically demonstrate. The workshop is part of our Erasmus plus CIAK project and took place in Camara de Lobos on Madeira Island of Portugal in November 2019. The thaumatrope, meaning magical turner or wonder turner, was invented around 1825 independently and almost simultaneously by two English physicians, John Ayrton Paris and Peter Mark Roget. In 1833, the phenakistoscope, meaning deceptive view or spindle viewer, was invented independently and almost simultaneously by the Belgian physicist Joseph Plateau and the Austrian mathematician Simon Ritter von Stampfer. How to make a thaumatrope. To make a thaumatrope, one needs paper, pencils and felt tip pens, a rubber, a circle shape, a pair of scissors, glue and a plastic straw. Draw two images that go together inside two identical circles. Cut out the two circles. Place the straw between the aligned paper circles. Use glue to secure. Hold the straw between two palms and spin. How to make a phenakistoscope. To make a phenakistoscope, one needs stiff paper, pencils and felt tip pens, a rubber, a circle shape, a protractor, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a plastic straw, and a pin or thumbtack. Plan out your animation with sketches 8 to 12. Draw a circle and divide it into pieces using a protractor. Cut the circle. Draw your animation clockwise around the circle. Cut small rectangular slots along the separating lines of each wedge. Poke the pin or the thumbtack through the animation wheel and the straw. It should be in firmly enough, but still rather loose for you to be able to spin the wheel freely. Hold your phenakistoscope up and spin it.